Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be checking out reputation management. In our reputation management, the first thing you're going to see is the overview tab, and on overview you can actually filter it by lengths of time, so you could do week, month, year, last week, or the last 6 months. While looking at this is going to be a nice overview of how many reviews have been sent out, how many have you gotten, what it was the positive or negative sentiment of each review. And you'll also see that you can turn on Yext here. If you're not familiar with Yext, it is a listing service which basically just puts your company information across a lot of different listing services on the internet, and it also makes sure that your listings are accurate. So make sure that the phone number is in the same format, and make sure that the business name is the same everywhere. Like, it doesn't have a comma LLC in one place and then without the LLC in another. And make sure that the address is correct on everywhere. Like, if you have a unit number on one and not on another, that negatively affects your Google algorithm listing. So it goes and lists it all to like 100 different places, all the same, so that it positively affects your Google algorithm. You'll be able to see invite trends, like how many invites have been sent and how many were accepted and how many people left a review. Of course, this is a demo account, so that there's no live data here. You'll be able to see the latest review requests, like how many have been actually sent out, and then the latest reviews. And then you'll be able to actually report negative reviews as well through here, and it'll go directly to Google and directly to Facebook. So a couple other really cool things that we can do in here is going to be your widget. So the widget we can actually place right onto your website or in many different places, and it is fully customizable. So you can come over here, you click create new, you can click the layout, like if it's a list type, if it's a grid. I love carousel personally, but like legacy looks really cool. I would suggest putting like 100 here, or if you have 200, whatever, because like it doesn't matter. It pulls them from all of your review sources, so like all of your Google ones, all your Facebook ones. I believe this also pulls from Yelp as well. You can also turn off and on the power by. That's just this piece right here where it says powered by the RYZE agency, and then you can fully customize the appearance. You want light, dark, or you can make it fully custom, change the font, and then change all of the colors, so all of this stuff would start being a different color. You can also change what this says right here. Like, you do content, and then like what do you want the heading to say, and then you can put whatever you want, and then something to go underneath that, and you can see that it's going to update here. And then you can also change the header and the way it currently sits, and then you would just pull this code from here, and it would automatically be put onto your website whenever you drop the code onto your website. If you have WordPress, or if we're the ones handling your website, we can do it for you, and it will automatically update whenever new reviews are left. Those new reviews would also be put onto your website as well through this. So really cool technology. If you have any other questions on this, please let us know, and until then, have a great day.